Session 19 of Managerial Communication of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about communication network, both formal and informal. Communication network. In an organization, there will be two communication systems existing, that is formal and informal. There are specific flows which exist within these broad categories. They are the patterns of communication flows among various positions in an organization. They are called communication networks. These networks are made up of system of lines or channels which are interconnected. So two communication systems are formal and informal. The officially prescribed communication network may be designed on the basis of a single channel or multiple channels. So chain network, wheel network, circular network, free flow network, inverted V network. The diagram to show various channels in the formal communication network are, so here we can see the figures. So the first is chain network. This is usually found in bureaucratic organizations. Chain network allows communication network downward or upward through each successive level. A subordinate communicates with his superior and the superior communicates the same with his subordinate. This is a straight line of communication. Information flows orderly. Wheel network. Here all the subordinates under one superior communicate through him only. He becomes the center of all communication. These subordinates are not allowed to communicate horizontally among themselves. This network suffers the problem of coordination. Circular network. Here communication moves in a circle. Each employee can communicate with his adjoining two persons and not with the others. Free flow network. Every person can communicate freely with every other person. Here communication flow fast. Such a network is usually followed in free-form organization or in task force. This network has the problem of coordination. Inverted V network. As the diagram shows here, an employee is allowed to communicate with his immediate superior as well as his superior's superior. Its advantage is that the communication travels faster in this network. Informal or grapevine. It circulates around the affairs of the organization and the people in it. It may be about the happenings in the company or about the social related things like exchanging personal information, gossips and rumors. Now let us see some of the informal networks. First is chain system. In chain system, a person tells something to a second person, the latter to the third person and so on in the form of a chain. Second is gossip system. In the gossip system, a single person communicates without any discrimination with everyone he meets. So A is a person who communicates with all others. Probability system. The probability system is a random process in which someone transmits the information to others in accordance with the laws of probability and then these others tell still others in a similar way. This chain may also be called random process. Finally, cluster system. In cluster system, a few individuals pass on information to a cluster or a set of other people. These other people may be chosen ones or to pass the information. The most popular grapevine in the organization is the cluster system. References.